In this video, I'm going to conduct a Friedman test. So once you have your data in, simply go down to Analyses, and we'll go down to Non-Parametrics and to the Friedman test. And I'll go ahead and select variables, and I'll select reading 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Hit Add Dependent Variables and hit Calculate. What we see is that the results of Friedman were significant, indicating that there were differences among the median values among reading 1, 2, 3, and 4. And Table 1 presents those mean ranks. Okay. And you have the box plots there. So we know that there's a difference. Now the post-hoc test, what that does is compare each reading group to each other group. Okay. And basically you're comparing reading 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and so forth. That's the observed difference. It needs to be larger than the critical difference. And in every one of those cases, that is what's happened, okay? So each one of these are significantly different from each other. Okay. All right. So in the post hoc write-up, the results in the multiple comparisons indicated differences 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, and 3 to 4. And there's your APA table. And to download the document, you simply come up here, hit Download Document, and that's how you conduct a Friedman test using Intellectus Statistics.